Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today onwards, we will try to solve some Java coding problems. So I hope you like it. So it will be the playlist. So both you'll find Java problems and DSA problems, which is data structures and algorithms, right? So I hope you like this playlist. And so let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class, right? So as you see, this is my Visual Studio Code, right? So here you have to go to the extensions bar, right? Click on it and click on Java, right? Click on Java. So first you have to install the extension called extension pack for Java in your Visual Studio Code. So as I was installed this extension, so that's why here it's showing uninstall option. So if you don't install, here you can see the install button, then you have to click on it, then it automatically install in your Visual Studio Code, right? After that, you'll find Java programs folder here. So in the below, you have to create file called new file, right? You have to click on this file and you have to name the file called hello world.java, right? So I hope you understand till now. So here I will start writing the code. So our first program is how to print, how to print the output in the Java, right? How to print outputs in the Java. I'll just close it. Yeah. So now I will write the code. So first of all, you have to write public and you have to write class, right? After that, you have to write the class name. You have to write the class name called hello world, hello world, right? I'll just drag like this and write world, right? Just open the flower brackets, right? So open the flower brackets and here you have to write public static void main and string args, right? And close the flower brackets, right? So first of all, you have to write public class name. The class name is hello world, and this is the main function, public static void main. So the program starts executing from this fifth line, right? So I will write system.out.println, and here I will print hello world, right? So in this way, you can write the Java program to print the output in the terminal, right? So I hope you understand. So what's the problem? How to print the output in the Java, right? So for this, we have to write public class, and the class name. And after that, you have to write public static void main string args. This is the main function. So after the main function, you have to write the system.out.println. So which is used to print the outputs in the terminal, right? So save this file and click on F5. So it will be run in your terminal. So here you can see, right? Hello world, right? So in this way, we can print the outputs in Java. I hope you understand, right? So not only one statement, you can write multiple statements, right? You can write multiple statements. And here I'll write I am Iron Man. So whatever statements which you like, you can written in this double quotes. So those statements will be displayed on the output. Save the file and click on F5, right? So your output will be here, hello world, and I am Iron Man. So in this way, we can print the outputs in Java. So I hope you will like this video, right? And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos on YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.